Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I come up with this hair treatment that is going to help you grow your hair and is going to fill up all the bald spot on your hair. If you're looking to do something like that or grow your hair, and then you want to definitely watch this video to the end. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the first ingredients that I'm going to be using to come up with this hair treatment is going to be aloe vera. So it depends on the quantity that you're going for. If you have been watching most of my videos, you know I always do the quantity that is good for my hair at the moment, and I just use it. Each time I need it, I just go ahead and make another one. So I think that's the right way to do it. You don't want to do a lot and keep it in the fridge. So but you can still do that if it works for you, but I usually do mine and just use it. So I take out the back of the aloe vera because it's itchy on my scalp. For some people it doesn't itch, so you can actually just go ahead and blend it with the back of it, but it itches on my hair. Right now I'm just gonna put it into my blender where I'm going to be blending everything up and just add in all the other ingredients. So the next ingredients that I'm going to be adding in is going to be moringa powder. So you can do away with the seed if that's what you have. You can blend them first without adding in the aloe vera. So I have the powder. So the next one is going to be fenugreek powder. So I add in first the moringa powder, and I add the next one was fenugreek, and this one is my chebe powder. So I have all the powders. That's what I'm going to be using today. I just mix everything up, and I'm going to add now my banana. So you want to add as much as you want, but you know the more banana you have is going to be watery. So I didn't want mine that watery. That's why I did add in just one banana, and you want to add a banana that is this ripe. So the next one is going to be my avocado. So my avocado as well is really ripe. Make sure most of the things you're adding are really ripe, like your banana and your avocado. I'm sorry. So my avocado is really ripe until it's even getting spoiled, guys. I'm just gonna add everything together and blend them. So now the next ingredients that I'm going to be adding in is going to be my eggs. So I'm going to be adding in 2 eggs. You can add 1 or you can add 3. It all depends on you. So I'm going to add in 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add in my carrier oil, which is going to be sunflower oil. That's what I'm using. So I add in my sunflower oil, and now I'm gonna go ahead now and blend everything together. Everything that I'm using to come up with this hair treatment are very beneficial to your hair. They are going to increase shine to your hair. They are going to help your hair to grow to a longer length, and is going to thicken your hair and fill up your bald spot and make your follicles stronger like never before. So you want to consider using this like once a month, especially on your wash day, to treat your hair. So if you're doing so, trust me, you're going to come back and testify on my channel. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, guys, and consider subscribing to my channel and turn on your notification bell. And the last ingredients is going to be my apple cider vinegar. So the reason why I didn't add these 2 ingredients before blending the other ones, it was because my blender was small. So you can actually just add everything together and just blend all of them together. So now you can add it essential oil if you want. It all left to you, but I'm not going to be adding any essential oil into this mixture. So right now I'm going to finish from here and go show you how I did apply this on my hair. So this is my treatment. Now I'm going to show you how I apply it on my hair. So firstly, you want to go ahead first to spray your hair down with any kind of spray, maybe a water or oil or something. That way it's easy for your product to like get into your hair, and when you're dividing it, you don't want to break the strands of your hair. So when your hair is damp, it's easy to work with. So after spraying my hair, I'm not going to apply my product into my hair. I'm going to apply it from the under, from my scalp, and work my way to the tips of my hair. And guys, this is good because it's not watery, so it's not going to like split everywhere. It doesn't like fall on me, as you can see. Yeah, it just stays on my hair wherever I put it, so it's very good. So after I'm done applying it, and then I'm just going to comb it with my comb. Like, yeah, massage it first before combing it. You want to really massage it, like take your time. That's what is going to help your hair. Really massage that treatment into your hair. So after massaging it, just use your detangler comb to comb it out, or you can use your brush, your detangler brush, to brush it out. So I'm using the comb to comb it. Just comb it gentle. Make sure you don't comb it too hard, that way you don't break your strands of your hair. After doing so, I'm going to tie my hair into a plastic bag and just go around my business and have it for as long as I want. So it all depends on you. Normally the lowest time to carry your hair treatment is 30 minutes. So if you want to do 30 minutes and wash it up, is fine. If you want to do 1 hour, is fine. But all you have to know is that don't sleep with any kind of hair treatment. It's not advisable, so make sure you don't sleep with it, so you can carry the whole day. You can do in the morning and just go around your business in the house. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna carry for as long as I can carry it, and then I'm going to go wash it. Thank you all guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up on my videos, and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you will be notified each time that I upload new video on my channel. Turn on your notification bell and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.